Hello guys, welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. In this practical video, I will guide you how to place stirrups in floor beam construction. Guys, you can see this is floor beam. You can see this is already completed. This is floor beam, which size is 18 by 12 inches. Next guys, you can see this is in progress. How they placed the ring or stirrups for this floor beam, you can see clearly. They placed two steel rods in upper portion. You can see this is upper portion, so we have in compression zone two steel rods. Dia is 20 mm. So here they will provide three steel rods at the bottom at this section. You can see the labor is working. He is binding the stirrups at the corner of this floor beam. So the practical video is very important to know everything properly. You can see the hooks should be placed alternately. Guys, you can see this hooks, that one hook is already on other side and this is at this side. You can see these are opposite of each other. Look here, you can see clearly. Okay, you can see guys. Guys, you can see here size is 12 by 18 inches. Depth is 18 inches, width is 12 inches. Four steel rods we have at the bottom, two at the top. Dia is 20 millimeter for upper portion, also for lower portion. For tension zone 20 mm, also for compression zone we have 20 mm. Why they use two steel rods in upper portion in compression zone? Because concrete is strong in compression but it's weak in tension, so therefore in tension zone we have four steel rods, in compression zone we have two steel rods. Dia is same for both. Okay, next guys, you can see the stirrup dia is here 10 mm, so this is 10 millimeter dia of steel rod for this stirrup. The first stirrup is placed at the distance of 2 inches, the other one is 4 inches at the distance of L by 4. Okay, you can see after L by 4 guys, you can see we have 8 inches, so the spacing is here 8 inches. Okay, 2 times of L by 4 distance. You can see hooks are bent on 90 degree, it should be provided on 135 degree, so they did a mistake in this technical terms. As I told you in many videos that the stirrups should be placed alternately, especially hooks. This is hook, so you can see this is at this side, this is the opposite of this one is also the opposite, so this is very important. They already did placing of stirrups properly, especially in hook sides. Next guys, here they will use two side bars in this beam at the distance of L by 4 where we have negative bending moment, but also guys they will placed lapping length at this place. So lapping is not allowed to provide at this place because this is at the distance of L by 4 where we have negative bending moment, but they will place the lapping, so lapping is very dangerous, especially at this place. Therefore lapping should be provided after L by 4 or at the distance of L by 5 you are allowed to provide, and don't provide the lapping at the middle of the beam or at the center of the beam because we have positive bending moment in bottom section. Guys, you can see this is one column, that is other column, so this is so the span between these two columns is about 22 feet. So if this is 22 feet, so the middle, the center is here 11 feet, so don't provide the lapping at this place. They didn't use and they didn't overlap any steel rod. Just I am guiding you that don't provide the lapping in the center of the beam or at the center of the RCC slab. They already did properly. Okay, so we don't have any lapping in. Just I am guiding you that don't provide the lapping in bottom portion or in tension zone of the floor beam. But if you require to provide, so you can provide at the distance of After L by 4, what is L by 4? The total span, which is 22 feet. So 22 feet should be divided by 4. Okay, so you can you are allowed about 5 feet and 5 inches, 5 feet and 6 inches. So that is L by 4. So after 5 feet and 6 inches, you are allowed to provide the lapping. Okay, but don't provide at the center. Next, if you need the lapping, so provide the lapping at the center of the compression zone. In upper portion, at the center you are allowed, but in bottom portion in tension zone you are not allowed. Okay, so this is very important to know about this. Guys, you can see here. Already they used lapping at this junction. You can see, guys, there we have the drawing for this floor beam. This is beam layout plan of basement. Okay, that one is for, let me show you for ground floor. This is beam layout plan of ground floor, because this is ground floor slab. Okay, so therefore this is its floor beam. You can see the column positioning, everything you can see clearly. Okay, so there you will see the details. In next video I will guide you about the drawing, especially for floor beam, slab, etc. And also, guys, this is very important to guide you for development length. So development length is very important at the end of the beam. Guys, here this is end of the beam, so at this place development length is very important to provide, but they didn't provide. Okay. So those are steel fixers. Let me show you properly, everyone. Hello. What's your name?
My name is Wasif.
Wasif. Where are you from?
Batkela.
Batkela. Where I am living, so he is from Batkela. So I am also from Batkela. Look here, eh? How are you?
I am fine.
What's your name?
Muhammad Junaid.
Muhammad Junaid is a steel fixer. You can see he is binding the stirrups in this floor beam. Hello, mister. How are you? He said it. Don't ask anything from me. Yes, he is also a steel fixer. Yes. They will have a company, this one also, this one in the future. Hopefully. خپل کمپنی به ان شاء الله په مستقبل کې ها
Inshallah.
if you try and try. Look here, guys, we have 4 steel rods at the bottom, 2 in top portion. And this is 20 millimeter 6 sutar, 6 sutar, 20 millimeter. Ask from the a steel fixer, but I already discussed that what is the diameter of this steel rod, longitudinal bars and beam. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.